Welcome to 2026, and in this video we are going to explore how to create a vision board something like this. So we are going to try different AI products and we will try to get an outcome like this. And you can use the same method to create your own 2026 vision board. First, we are going to get started with Gemini, which is completely free. And from here, actually, we have to select create images. When we select create images, then we know by default Gemini is going to leverage the Nano Banana as a tool to create the images. And if you go over here, then there are going to be three options. In this case, fast, thinking, and pro. So first we are going to get started with fast. And now we just have to pass this prompt. And in this prompt, you can see we are asking you to create a vision board and we are asking you to outline it with the yellow highlighter. This is the details which is going to help you to create the vision board as we have seen earlier. And in this case, you just have to go over here and add your items. You can just pass it one by one by typing it here, or if you have somewhere all your goals written, then you can also pass it directly. I just pass few items over here. You can pass like n number of items in this case. The more items you have, the more graphical vision board you will get. So let me just go ahead and try to submit it. And here you can see it's loading Nano Banana to create this particular image. And here we have the output. Now it's looking good, but let me try another option. Now I can take the same prompt and I can try with different mode. So here in this case, instead of fast, I can go with the thinking. And similarly, you can go ahead with the pro and see like which particular vision board is more appealing to you. So in this case, you can see I have selected thinking and it's loading Nano Banana Pro to create this particular vision board. So you can see this particular vision board is totally different what we've got with the fast model. In this case, you just have to notice whenever you are creating this kind of images from Gemini, then at the bottom here, you will get the Gemini watermark also or Gemini logo. If you want this to be removed, then instead of using the Gemini, you have to go to Google AI Studio. And if you go to home page, you just have to click on chat with models. And from here, actually, you can select the models which you want to leverage. So here I'm using the Nano Banana Pro, and under the hood it's using this Gemini 3 Pro image preview. And these are going to be the cost of utilizing this particular model. Okay, if you're not able to pass the API key, then you won't be able to get any kind of output from Google AI Studio. I can pass the same kind of prompt here, and then I have to select a key. As you can see over here, it's asking for the imported paid project, and then I have to pass a key. It's automatically going to take it if everything has been defined, and then you can just go ahead and select key. And here you can see the output what we have got from Google AI Studio. At the bottom, you won't be getting any kind of logo or icon because it's a paid account. Whatever you are generating from here, it is not going to have like any kind of watermark. And this is the image what we have got from Google AI Studio. The last model what we want to try is ChatGPT Images, which is again going to be a free model. So in this case, you don't have to pay anything as such. Here also, we can just go ahead and pass our prompt like this. And it may take some time to generate images from ChatGPT Images. This was the output what we have got from ChatGPT Images. There are several platforms that you can utilize. Some are free and some are paid. But using this prompt and passing your items, you can create your vision board, something like this. So that's all what we have in this video. Thank you for watching.